we'll talk about how can you enable account uh, notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here, and you just click on it here. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notifications. You come to notifications here. Come here to account activity here. So just click on it. You come to next step here. You come here to push. Clicking this sign. Now, like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here account activity notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.